Hello, guys. It was my birthday about a couple of weeks ago, and a friend gave me a present. So I recorded this to just remind me how good my friends are and to have a look at the watch. So out come this watch, and it was a surprise, really. Drum roll, please. It is a Raketa. Look at that. Stunning turquoise blue dial with gold indices. Amazing. But look at the straps. Well, my friend knows that I'm this straight, so it's easy for me to swap it for a better strap. Let's pop this out. Ooh. Take a closer look. It is actually, in fact, a perpetual calendar. So at first you align the year to the month at the bottom, and automatically the disc will align the days to the date. But we run out of years after 2000. You have to turn the hands for 24 hours to move one day. Okay, next is the interesting part on how you set the date. To move each date, you have to pull the crown out. See? Go. Let's try on Italian Epsom leather. For simplicity, we've called this the white Italian Epsom, but if you look at it, it's more tones than just white. Of course, we have to try on the beige. With the turquoise dial, it is stunning. Now I have a perpetual calendar watch.